Okay, Barra Alternator delete plate, fairly simple, quite a thick piece. You've got two M8 screws, both the same size, and a 50mm spacer. So all you need to do is just use the countersunk holes for the screws. The lowest screw gets the spacer, which is going to go into the sump, and the other one's just going to go in through the timing cover here. Quite easy to see. Start the one in the timing cover, keep it loose. Now go for the one that goes into the sump tab and get it in and get it nice and tight. And then come back to the top one here. Okay, that's installed. Now there's two locations for the supplied 6PK idler. You can either go in tight or go out wide. I figured the plate's large enough that we can have two holes. Why not? It'll give people options. You can wrap the belt however you like. So basically, once the belt comes around the water pump like so, then you can bring it around, down, and delete the alternator.